Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed. Today we're going to talk about how to winterize a chicken coop. This video will take you through the most effective ways to prepare your chicken coop for the winter season. So watch until the end for the best guide. Clean out the entire chicken coop. Start by removing all the bedding and sweeping any leftovers in the coop. Scrape the ladders, walls, and floor to remove any tough poop spots. Also, scrub the entire coop thoroughly and let it dry. You can use this time to clean the coop's waterers, feeders, and other equipment. Make any necessary repairs. If the roof and walls have holes, you should repair them to prevent any draft or snow from getting in the coop. Ensure to make all these repairs when the weather is still warm. Put an extra thick layer of bedding. Use a thick layer of straw, sawdust, or any other materials that will insulate the floor and keep the coop's interior warm throughout the cold season. Instead of frequently replacing the bedding, you could choose to stir in the bedding in the coop and add fresh bedding on top. This will reduce your work as it adds an extra layer of bedding and keeps the coop warm and clean. Insulate the chicken coop. Ensure that the coop is ready to face freezing temperatures during the winter by giving it plenty of insulation. You can use hardware cloths or blankets to cover any openings on the coop. If your chicken coop contains a lot of wire fencing, fit plexiglass to eliminate drafts and prevent snow from getting into the coop. However, as you insulate the coop, leave room for ventilation. Put winter-ready equipment in the coop. Invest in fount heaters and other heating equipment to ensure that the chicken's water doesn't freeze during the winter season. Also, you can install automatic feeders for the chickens to have a reliable supply of feed. This will also save you from having to brave the cold to feed the chickens in the coop. In addition, making the nesting boxes warm for your hens by lining them with nesting pads or extra layers of bedding. So there you have it. Winter seasons don't have to be terrifying for chicken owners. Winterizing the chicken coop is as easy as the steps mentioned here. I hope this helps. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, and share this video. Till next time.